A credit card can make your life easier. Whether it's shopping or paying online, a credit card makes everything simple. It's also very helpful in emergencies. You can even build your credit score with a credit card. If you use it responsibly, getting a loan in the future becomes much easier. Many credit cards offer rewards. You can get points or cash back for shopping or paying bills. But it's super important to use your credit card carefully. Don't forget to pay on time, or you could end up in debt. Before getting a credit card, it's important to understand your needs. Different credit cards offer different benefits. If you travel a lot, a travel credit card is best. You can get discounts on flights and hotels. Love to shop? Choose a shopping credit card. You'll get rewards on every purchase. Pick a credit card that fits your budget. Don't forget to check the yearly fees and interest rates. Your credit score is like a report card for your finances. It tells lenders how reliable you are at repaying loans. A good credit score makes it easy to get a loan. You'll also get lower interest rates. To check your credit score, you can use online platforms like Sybil, Experian, and CRIF Highmark. Check your credit report regularly. If you see any wrong information, report it right away. Applying for a credit card is very easy. You can apply online or offline. To apply online, go to the bank's or financial institution's website. Fill out the application form and upload your documents. To apply offline, visit a bank branch. A bank executive will help you. After the application process is complete, the bank will review your application. If it's approved, you'll get your credit card. Remember, a credit card is a responsibility. Use it carefully and pay on time.